Hey guys, Kim's Takes. Today we're doing another astronomy video, and today we're going to be talking about the reddest dwarf planet, Makemake. Makemake is the fourth dwarf planet from the Sun and is the reddest dwarf planet. Makemake is named after the Rapa Nui god of fertility. Its minor planet designation is 136472 Makemake. It was discovered by Michael Brown, Chatterjee, and David Rabinowitz on March 31st, 2005 at the Palomar Observatory. Its provisional designation is 2005 FY9. Before it got its official name in 2008, it was nicknamed Easter Bunny because it was discovered around Easter. It has one moon, Mk2, which is 1,300 times fainter than Makemake. Makemake has an inclined orbit of 29 degrees. But it's more of a circular orbit, not an elliptical orbit like Pluto. That's because it's a cubiwano, which means it's not affected by Neptune's gravity. Makemake is the largest cubiwano in the solar system. It takes Makemake 310 years to orbit the Sun. Its orbital speed is 9,828 miles per hour. It's located beyond Neptune in the Kuiper Belt. Makemake's perihelion is 38 AU, and its aphelion is 52 AU. Makemake takes 22.5 hours to rotate, which is similar to days on Earth and Mars. Since it's in the Kuiper Belt, it's a Kuiper Belt object, and since it's beyond Neptune, it's a trans-Neptunian object, or a Plutoid. Makemake's diameter is 1,431 kilometers. Which means its radius is 715.5 kilometers, which means it's 2/3 the size of Pluto. You can fit 1,300 Makemakes inside Earth by volume. Makemake is 41.2% the diameter of the Earth's moon. Makemake's mass is 3.1 times 10 to the power of 26 kilograms. So Makemake is the third largest dwarf planet after Pluto and Eris, but the fourth most massive dwarf planet after Eris, Pluto, and Haumea. Makemake's density is 2 G-cm to the power of 3. Its surface is a mixture of rock and ice. It's rockier than Pluto, so it has a higher density than Pluto, but it's still ice-rich. Makemake's layers consist of a surface ice crust, an ice-rich mantle, a possible global subsurface ocean, a rocky silicate mantle, and a rocky core. Scientists thought Makemake had an atmosphere, but it doesn't actually have one. But it does have craters. Its surface is covered in methane and ethane ices and nitrogen, but much less than Pluto. Its surface is a reddish color due to tholins. Even though it's covered in light-absorbing tholins, it still has a high albedo because fresh methane ice is coated over the tholins, which causes it to reflect a lot of light like a mirror. Makemake is the dwarf planet with the second highest albedo and trans-Neptunian object with the second highest albedo, and is the second brightest object in the Kuiper Belt after Pluto. Makemake is studied with stellar occultations, which is like an eclipse when it passes between Earth and a distant star, revealing if it has moons, rings, or an atmosphere. It is also studied with the Hubble telescope, James Webb, and New Horizons. Hope you learned something new today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.